Hey everyone, welcome back. Guess what we're doing? We're going to change out this clock. I got another one. We're going to change this one out. I'll show you why. Pop the key on. Radio's on. All my lights are on. No clock. What's going on? This is a 2006 Matrix. This is the second generation. It'll work on your Matrix and it'll work on your Pontiac Vibe, which are basically the same vehicles. So, if you need to get access to replacement of that, your clock, or your hazards, or your radio, or one of these three, rear defrost, AC, or recirculate, pop this bezel off and we'll get going to change this out and replace it with that one. Before I take this one out, I'm going to plug that one in to make sure it works, because that was a freebie. From the bottom, it's just pressure clips. Did you get that? Start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 clips are up here, and they kind of hook in, if you will. So you want to go up, play with it a little bit. See? Did you see that? Pretty straightforward, right? I'm gonna just shift myself here. I'm gonna grab the camera. It's gonna be a little bit of a noise. I'm gonna show you the back where the wire harness goes into there. So you might get a little noise here. Hang on a second, don't run away. There's the wire harness, and what you want to do is, here's it. See that? You see how I'm squeezing that clip down right there? Okay, I'm gonna hold the camera. I'm not sure if I can hold the camera and do this all at the same time. Give me a second. Don't run away. I'm gonna have to put the camera down because I kind of need to hold this, the bezel. There we go. So take this, plug that into there, turn that key on. Hey, hey! Yep. There we go. Now this fits in, and I'll show you here. I'm gonna see if I can rest this here without it falling away. I'm gonna grab the camera again. Show you here. That's a clip. And that's a clip. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. So we're going to move this out of the way, and see if I can zoom in right there. That is one of the little clips. There's a second little clip right there. You got to get underneath with a little screwdriver because you got to kind of pry this up to get that out, because the clock presses into this bezel piece. I'm gonna put the camera down real quick here again. Don't run away. We got it. We got it. It's gonna be a bit of an awkward. I'm not sure. I wish I could show you real quickly, but I kind of need 2 hands in here. So I'm using just a flat little screwdriver. Just going to go underneath with the one clip down below. Kind of push the clock outwards a bit. Release the tension on that little clip area. See if I can just get into this top one here. Yeah. I felt those 2 pop out. And these 2, they need to, I gotta use 2 hands. Unfortunately, I can't hold the camera. Pop it over here. Kinda gotta get into here. You gotta be pushing the clock out of the bezel and lifting these little black tab areas, if you will. 2 of the 4 out right now. They can be a bit of a pain. I wonder why they just didn't have little screws in here. I guess they didn't figure this clock was ever going to break. No. 2 of the 4. Looking for the next 2. Wow, this clock is in there good. Oh, there we go. That one is out. This one's plugged in. And this just clicks back in. Literally. Slide it. One hand. Just gonna squeeze it together. Done. Take this. 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull 1, 2, 3, and 4. Move the wire harness out. Pop this up. So if you need access to your radio or any of these, in, done. That wasn't, well, it was. These little clips though, man, they are just right there. Like, can you see the size of this little thing? There's one. That's one of your top ones. Takes a little bit of patience. There's 2. 2 on the bottom. I'll flip this thing upside down here for you. There's 3. I know it's kind of tough to see. There it is. And there's 4. That's all that this holds this clock in. I guess I should turn my keys back on. It is not 4 o'clock. And the date on my camera is wrong. It is May the 29th. Could be the 30th though, but it's probably the 29th. There you go. If you have any questions or comments on your Toyota Matrix, if you need some help with it, Pontiac 5, let me know. That is fixed and that was free. Please leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Have yourself a great